It's me again. Did you miss me? I am doing a mukbang for my seafood salad. Yeah. And I want to thank everybody who came out. Mr. Paul and his wife, Miss Deborah, Miss Ethel, my cousin Vanessa, my cousin Kim, just all the people that came out, to support me. I hope you guys been cooking with that flour. I hope you guys been enjoying it. So guess what? We got seafood on baguettes, crispy. Look at that. That looks so good. Let me do it dumb there. Okay, so okay, let me take my first bite, see what it tastes like. This shrimp is too big. I gotta go ahead and eat this shrimp, girl. One thing, it is good. That is so good. You can taste the Old Bay, the relish, the mustard. Oh my goodness. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let's fall all off. It is good. Behind the scenes stuff. These shrimps is perfectly steamed. And you know what? I don't know about it. I didn't take a guy the video that I steamed the shrimps. Oh wow. I'm gonna be a blooper. Oh my goodness. When you're thirsty, you can feel the cold water going down in the chest. Yes. This baguette is good. It didn't get as brown as I like, but it got nice and crispy. Look at that, guys. Look at this one. Look at that. I wish you guys could taste it. Oh my goodness. Hit a crunch of that. No, your friends gonna like this. They are gonna enjoy this. That's so good. I'm pushing the table. I finally got a tomato. Oh, okay, so good. That burst of tomato in your mouth, the sweetness of the tomato. And I need a bed. I'm gonna get one of my granddaughter's beds. This tastes good. It's just shrimps, some eggs, relish, mayonnaise, mustard. Man, this is good. Go look at the video. Some cold water. Not some cold water. I think I'm gonna need another one of the waters. Look at that, boo. Look at that, boo. Look at that. That looks so good. This is a nice serving size at a party. You're giving a cocktail party or something, get this little baguette from Walmart or your local grocery store. Toast this thing with some olive oil or butter. Look at that. And put it on the serving tray. My goodness. Our food's so good, make you close one eye. I like the crunch of the bread. I love summertime. I love some people eat seafood all year. I'm gonna eat in summer. This is good. It's like I'm in my fat girl moment. Yeah. You know about that. And the food is just so good, there's nothing to say. You just close your eyes and think that you're in paradise, honey. I still got 2 more. Look how big. That looks perfect. Oh, darn. This can't be an appetizer. This is a full course meal right here. Oh, background noise. What the hell? Oh my goodness. And some cold water? Wow. Okay. I'm trying to figure out what side to bite. Yeah, figure out what side. You think I should go in the front, the side, or the back? That back looking crunchy right there. I want that crunch. Oh, here I go. You gotta enjoy good food, y'all. That was somebody didn't hear me. I'll give y'all this song. I'm talking to Brandon. No, I'm not making a video.
I'm sorry.
Please take a time saying sorry.
Hey, SoulfulT.
Hey,
what are you doing?
Really? Really?
What's the caramel popcorn for dessert?
No, I don't want no caramel and popcorn.
I like two. Are they good, Michael? No. You're not still on the college. I'm sorry.
I just felt like I was a teacher. Stop! Oh, what's you sitting there? What you doing there? That was good. Only I know. Anybody here who don't have no kids yet, let me tell you something. You know why they say that things get better with time? Not kids. The older they get, you would think the better, more sense they will have. I got a surprise for you. Yes, I do. Oh my God, excuse me. Oh, that's so embarrassing. I didn't even feel that coming. Oh, but that was good. Excuse me. At that point, you can cut the TV off, turn off the video. I don't care, because I deserve that. I'm sorry. Yeah, but I'm telling you, the older kids get, the hard-headed they get. Oh my goodness, it made me wish they was 2 years old again. Where's that tomato? Tomatoes is optional. You don't have to. That would make me now. Man, I want to sit back, have some pants up, and my hands stand on my stomach, and be like, yeah. God, that's so good. Yeah, guys. So you gonna get your hands on my fiber? SoulfulT. Ooh, it's thundering. Ooh, we about to have a thunderstorm. SoulfulT dinners at gmail.com. I usually don't finish nothing, but it's a winner. I ain't gonna lie, I had 5 of these. God damn, 5. Yeah, I had 5. Okay. That's good. Oh, I'm not good. This is so good. Let me get some water. Oh. Yeah, buddy. This is it. Like, share, subscribe. Until the next bite, guys. I am out. It's been real. This is so good. Look at this recipe. Try this recipe. I cleaned that plate. Oh my God, guess what? I actually cleaned a mukbang plate. So you know this was good. And I didn't get full unless I was extremely, extremely hungry. I actually cleaned my first mukbang. Yes, she did. Yes, she did. Yes, she did. I love it myself. I love you. Subscribe again, right? Share, subscribe. Hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time.